Hi, welcome to our video on understanding insurance basics. Insurance is an essential financial tool that can provide protection and peace of mind for you and your loved ones. In this short video, we'll break down the fundamental concepts of insurance and why it's important. So the question is, what is insurance? At its core, insurance is a contract that you as a policyholder enter into with an insurance company. You pay regular premiums, and in return, the insurance company provides you with financial protection against specific risk or losses. Insurance is crucial for several reasons. Number one, risk mitigation. Helps you to mitigate financial risk by transferring them to the insurance company. Number two, peace of mind. It provides peace of mind knowing that you're financially protected in case of unexpected events. Number three, legal requirements. In some cases, insurance is legally required, such as auto insurance for drivers in many states. Number four, loan and mortgage requirements. If you have a loan or mortgage, your lender may require insurance to protect their investment. So there are various types of insurance, and most of the most common ones include life insurance, and this is designed to protect your family financially in case of your death. Health insurance, which covers medical expenses and helps you afford health care. Auto insurance, which provides coverage for accidents and damage to your vehicle. Home insurance, which safeguards your home and belongings from damage and theft. When you're dealing with insurance, it's essential to understand some key terms. Premium, the amount you pay to the insurance company regularly. Your policy, which is the actual contract that outlines what's covered, the terms and conditions. Deductible, the initial amount you're responsible for before the insurance kicks in. Coverage, the specific risk of events that the insurance policy protects against. And claim, a request you make for the insurance company for financial compensation. In conclusion, insurance is a vital tool for managing financial risk and providing security in an unpredictable world. Whether it's life, health, auto, or home insurance, understanding the basics is the first step in making informed decisions to protect yourself and your loved ones. I hope this video has been helpful in demystifying the basics of insurance. If you have any questions or would like to explore specific types of insurance in more detail, please feel free to reach out and continue learning, stay informed, and make the right choices for your insurance needs. I'm always here for you as an expert, as a prior claims adjuster. I've delved deep in policies, and I'm here to answer any questions or concerns that you have. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.